We've seen vaccine mandates from the federal government, 3 of them in particular. We've seen vaccine mandates from the state government in the hospital and nursing home context. And now we are seeing vaccine mandates being issued by New York City at the city level. What I'm going to cover very briefly is the status of the 3 federal vaccine mandates. First, the federal contractor vaccine mandate, which applies to entities who are contractors or subcontractors of the federal government. For now, that mandate has been stayed by a Kentucky district court, and the vaccine mandate is stayed in 3 states, Kentucky, Ohio, and Tennessee. Other than those 3 states, the federal contractor vaccine mandate remains in effect. And if you are a New York employer, it's something that you need to make sure you're complying with. The next vaccine mandate is the OSHA Emergency Temporary Standard. That vaccine mandate applies to employers with more than 100 employees. For now, that vaccine mandate has been stayed by the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals. There are a number of court challenges pending relating to the OSHA ETS that are going to be decided by the Sixth Circuit Court of Appeals. For now, OSHA has stated that it is not going to enforce the ETS until the litigation is resolved. The third federal vaccine mandate is the CMS rule for healthcare entities. That rule applies to very specific healthcare entities that are governed by CMS. The current status of that vaccine mandate is that it is also stayed nationally by a series of court decisions, as well as CMS itself, which has stated that it is not going to enforce the CMS vaccine rule until the litigation is resolved. So with respect to the 3 federal vaccine mandates, the federal contractor mandate is currently alive and well in New York State. The OSHA ETS is stayed nationwide, and the CMS healthcare rule is stayed nationwide. We'll continue to monitor these vaccine mandates and keep providing you with updates as they become available.